Hi and welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and today is Mystery Box Monday, and it's going to be a lot like my last Mystery Box Monday in that I am going to be unboxing some KnitCrate yarn. So the KnitCrate yarn from before were 3 separate boxes and they were thinner weights. So now I'm on the 4, 5, and 6 weight boxes, and I have 2 of that box. Okay, so there were 4 different boxes. I opened the first 3 last Monday. This Monday I'm opening 2 more, but they're the same. All right. So let me tell you a little bit about KnitCrate before I open this box. So KnitCrate is a monthly or quarterly subscription yarn box, and you can pick from all sorts of different yarns. So you can pick like a crochet club or a knit club, sock yarn. I know that they have one that's just the yarn. They don't give you anything else, and that's a really nice one. That one's I think $18.99 a month for that. And anyway, I have a link in my description that will get you $15 off your first subscription. But something that's really cool about KnitCrate is that it will allow you to return your first subscription for free. So if you don't like it, then you don't have to, you can just be like, yeah, I don't really like it, never mind. So yeah, they feature some really high-end yarns, yarn from Peru, Malabrigo yarn, what's the other one called? The LL Yarn Company. And then they have all sorts of exclusive KnitCrate yarns, and they're all high-end, really nice yarns. They're really great. So anyway, I just wanted to say again, I've got that affiliate link. All it does is give me a discount on my yarn. It does not give me anything monetary. It's not really, I don't make money from it. I just get a discount on yarn so I can show it to you guys on the channel. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to say something else. There's a Member Central store. So in the Member Central store, everything that would be in the regular yarn store is actually 50% off, which is really awesome. So if you were to subscribe to any membership on KnitCrate, then you would also get the Member Central store, which is where I got this box of, well, it's actually, I ordered 2 boxes, but it's 10 hanks, and I think I got it for $60 each. So that's really good savings. That's like enormous savings. And anyway, so I just wanted to say that. And I usually have something in the background that I've made, and this time it's my super easy crochet sweater. It's got these really nice sleeves with the ribbing on it, and all of that kind of stuff. It's really cool. Really, really easy to make. I made mine oversized on purpose. Just wanted to let you guys know that if you want to know how to make that, it's so easy. No sewing involved at all. And I'll give you the link to that tutorial because I made a tutorial for that. Let's get through a little yarn now because I know that's what you guys want. All right. So, like I said, oh, I think that I might have bumped you. I'm sorry. I was really, really excited about getting through my yarn, so I didn't mean to hurt you. I hope you're okay. All right, so I'm just going to bring my box up here so that I can see it better. I already opened this and went through it because I wanted to get everything organized so that it wouldn't take me as long to get through this video because I want to save your time because I'm really nice like that. So anyway, got some really great things, excited to show you. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is this Vitellana Celestial, and I got this in Diemos, and again I got 2 boxes, so I got 2 of everything that they included, so I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that. So it's 90% alpaca, 10% tencel. It's an RN weight, and it's 150 yards. And an RN weight is the same as a 4 weight. It goes with US size I through K hooks. And let me go ahead and hold it just a little bit closer to the camera so you can see that. And it's just, I really like this. It's super, super soft. Has really great drape. For those of you who've worked with, for example, like Red Heart Super Saver or Pound of Love with Lion Brand, theirs is kind of stiff. This is just so drapey when you're working with it, but it's just as thick. It's a really, really nice yarn. Of course, you can't throw it in the machine though. It is hand wash, lay flat to dry. But yeah, this alpaca wool is just so nice, so soft. It's a dream. It really is a dream to work with. So I got 2 of those. And again, it's called Diemos. And to me, it looks like it's kind of like in between a salmon pink and a terracotta, if that makes sense. So that's the color. So here's another Vitellana Celestial. This is a little bit more orangey. This is in Europa. And again, it's the exact same specs. I got 2 hanks. And again, that's 90% alpaca, 10% tencel, 1% fuzz. Not really, I'm kidding. 150 yards each, and so I also got them in these beautiful, like more orangey colors, and I'll just let you compare the colors. This is Diemos, more on the pink side, and this is the this is Europa, more on the orangey side. Both, again, really, really stunning, and I can't tell you just how comfy it feels like on my hands. It's got the best drape. Maybe I can show it by showing you that. It's just so soft. It's almost like working with butter when you're working with this kind of yarn. It's just really smooth and it flows really well. Just wanted to tell you, baby Shaman, my cat, he's up here, so he might do something crazy like jump in the box or something, just so you're ready. So here is some Audion wools in Mellow, and I absolutely love the Audion wools Mellow. And anyway, you want to smell it, baby? You want to smell the wool? He loves smelling the wool. He's not interested right now. So so the Audion wools. Audion wools in Mellow. It's technically a bulky weight. You know, I think that's right. Bulky 5. It's got the same kind of feeling as that other one does, though. And here's why. It's 80% Hayakaya alpaca and 20% tencel. So a very similar, it's got a very similar content as the other one. So yeah, this is 125 yards. So that's pretty good for a size 5. And it is hand washed, gently dry flat, custom made in Peru. So I not only got 2, but I even got 4. So this particular one must have come with 2 of these each, but that's awesome. I absolutely love this yarn. I actually collect it. I wanted to make a sweater dress with this, and there's another color in here, and I'll show you that one. I wanted to make one. I haven't made it yet. I have it in my head. I promise when I make it, I will share it with you guys. And go through all the steps, but I love this, and I love sweater dresses too. So anyway, it's so soft. It's so soft, and it's really, really great yarn. So the others is that I got 4 of the other color, and you'll be able to see you know, how they would go together well. So I've got these 4 hanks. 2 of them are right side up, 2 of them are upside down, so you can see them from all angles. Isn't that beautiful? This one's called Cordial, and this one's called Mimosa. And like I said, I wanted to put these 2 together, and I wanted to make a sweater dress with like the cuffs being this color, and maybe around the collar being this color, and then most of it being this color. And I already, without even getting this box, I already have enough to make it. So I'm super excited about doing that. So all of this that I got in this mystery box is going to go back into my own mystery boxes that I sell on Etsy. So I'm really excited to be able to share that with some of you guys that are interested in your own mystery boxes. So the rest of these are, I'm terrible at pronouncing this. Uru? It's U-R-U. Uru. Uru. I don't know. It sounds like I'm trying to start a car or something, right? But they're all in this. It's super bulky weight. So it is a 6 weight. Let me show that to you right there. And it's in all sorts of different colors. So we have this one. And oh, I want to tell you before I even go on, they had a theme for one of their boxes where they had tea. All right, so they paired this up with tea. I don't know which company they paired up with, but I did notice that Jasmine, I think it's called Jasmine Pearl Tea Company, had one of the names of the teas in supply. So I think they might have paired up with them, but I'm not certain. I just know that Jasmine Pearl Tea Company has paired up with other like yarny stuff. So anyway, let me go ahead and tell you what's in this. So we've got 45% Kaya alpaca, 45% Surrey alpaca, and 10% stellina. So that stellina is going to be what gives it a little bit of shine. I don't know if you can see it here. It's like glitter. It's kind of hard to see though. It's really hard to see. I don't think that it's going to be conveyed through the camera, but it's got all of these little speckles on it, and this is the kind of yarn that I love the speckles on this one. I love this. So this one's called Bubble Tea. This one is called Noon Chai. I really like that. And I made a bag out of this. Unfortunately, I needed to use a whole lot of hanks, so I think I had 4 hanks that I made a bag out of it, but it's 55 yards each. So considering how many yards I had, it was pretty cool that I made that. So we've got this, and then they put 2 of these in each one. Okay, so I think this is really ugly yarn. So ugly. I think that it actually takes, I think that it's actually at the highest level of ugliness. Like, I don't think I've seen any yarn that's uglier than this, but don't tell it, okay? I still love it. It's still very soft. But they put 2 of these in each one, so I got 4. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I got 4 of those. This is called fruit tea. And it's and it's interesting, isn't it? Isn't that an interesting color? So it's this interesting yellow, I think. Dookie. No, I was just thinking it's like this dookie green, and I can't believe I said it out so loud. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm not gonna tell Greg to edit that out either, because like, I swear that was in my mind. I was like, this is like a dookie green, ew. So it's like yellow green with these little nice little things in it. Another thing it reminds me of is sometimes my cats will cough and things will come out of their mouth, and it kind of looks a little bit like this. So it's really great over there. It's like horrified. So it's a really interesting, look guys, it's soft, okay? It's super, super soft. It's really, really nice. It's got this, it's got the stellina in it. Like I said, it's 90% alpaca, 45% of it is Hayakaya alpaca, and 45% of it is Surrey alpaca. We've got 55 yards. I can't look at this without laughing. And if you've ever had the wonderful experience of having a baby, you will find it very relatable. And you know, no, I can't say it. I can't even say that I think that somebody might find this like nice. I mean, I know it's true, but it's like I can't say that because I can't actually imagine it, you know? But somebody must, right? Somebody must. But it is, I mean, it is so soft. It is so nice. And, you know, 4 of these, that can do some damage. So anyway, there is absolutely no way that I would put these in one of my mystery boxes because I wouldn't take a chance that somebody would actually want this. So if anybody wants this and is wanting to get like a mystery box or whatever, I will put this in your mystery box for you if you want that, okay? and I'll add more, okay? If you get a large one, I'll add more. If you get a small one, I'll throw in something else, okay? So just wanted to tell you that in case you're interested in it. And this is called Fruit Tea. I already said that, but just wanted to say that. And all of these, there was a fourth color, and it was purple, and that was Butterfly Tea Flower. But this one's called Bubble Tea, and this is called Noon Chai, and all of them are just really, really, just, it's really soft. You know, doesn't matter what color it is, it's very soft. So, anyway, so that is what I got from KnitCrate. I am ecstatic, and I know that you guys probably enjoyed me embarrassing myself. I swear, like, seriously, words sometimes just pop out of my mouth and I don't even think about it. Like, and it's not a good thing to have, but at least I don't, like, say dirty words out of my mouth. Like, well, really dirty words out of my mouth randomly, you know? I mean, at least that. And no, I don't have Tourette's. I mean, I have a lot of stuff going on in my head, but Tourette's isn't one of them. No, I just, sometimes, you know, when I'm just talking and I think something, it's like, I'm so honest that, you know, it'll just come out and it's a Kassi thing. You know, this would make a wonderful bag or a cat bed, you know. So if nobody, you know, asks for this in the next, like, let's say month, okay, I'll go ahead and either put it in a giveaway, or I'll make something with it on the channel and show you guys how to make a super bulky maybe bag or something like that. All right, so that said, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a wonderful one. Be sure to stay tuned because I am going to be putting up a new giveaway this afternoon. So I know that that's something that you're going to be interested in. And also, I have a video for you every day of the week. And I'm so excited about basically being well again. I wasn't feeling well for a while, and I'm feeling great now. And just wanted to say thank you so much for watching to the end. Those of you who keep coming back, thank you so much. Those of you who are new to the channel and you know, maybe you think that we would be a good match, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Hit the notification bell too, because like I said, I have giveaways on my channel a lot. I at least 2 a month. And every time I put a giveaway up, if you have the notification, then you'll know that I have a giveaway. And then when I put up the winner, then you'll know that you've won if you're one of the winners. So that's why I say the notification bell, you know, just because I want my winners to know that they've won. Alrighty, guys. Thank you again so much for watching to the end. I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.